a little frog's heart. The war had only ended a few days ago.
Your soup is delicious as always, Mother. Can I have another bowl? Me too, Mama.
I'm sorry, but you know that soup is in limited supply since the animal was injured.
Your mother's right, boys. Our host has lost a lot of blood. It's the duty of us fleas to let him regain his strength, or we'll drain his life away.
Fleo! That's a microbe that makes fleas sick!
Ew! Kill it! Kill it!
It's dead now!
You tricked me! You little devils, what are you? I'll show you!
Be nice to your brothers, Fleo, or the germs will really get to you.
Me? But they...
Everyone, come quickly! Mosquitoes are attacking. The General needs volunteers to help close the wound so it can heal properly.
If our host dies, the entire community being on this dead animal, go then, all of you. Help the General. And take care of yourselves. How are you leaving like this and coming back all together? Don't cling like a tick. Go with the others.
But Mom, I haven't eaten enough. I don't have the strength to help them. See? I can't get off the floor. I think I should visit the bed. It's been warning me since early morning not to leave it.
I will go with the others. Or...
Okay, I'm going. Better to be beaten in a fight by mosquitoes than by my mother's spoon.
Stand shoulder to shoulder, as only this way we will cope with these mosquitoes. Man the anti-aircraft batteries!
I brought the brushes, General.